back from La Union, but I shot so much video there, some of it for like stock photography and that kind of thing, but I have enough content to try and put together another video, so here it goes. This is an Airbnb spot here in La Union. It's fantastic. And it's quiet. I mean, really, all you can hear, for the most part, is the sea. It's a beautiful little natural spot here. You can come down and sit in the sea literally as soon as you wake up, which is kind of what I did today. And I'm just down here floating around, staring out to sea, which always helps me sort of meditate and clear my mind, and a little bit of yoga, a little bit of stretching, right here in the water, in the sand basically, as you can see. Just hanging out. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, getting away isn't just crazy parties and pool bashes and taking a moment to get recentered, you know, connect with nature, stare at the sea and clear your mind. You gotta do that. This lockdown shit's unhealthy, it's uncool, it's not right, it's compounding the problem, it's flawed logic. Do not comply. One of the things that really rankles me, saddens me, just makes a big impact on me here in the Philippines is the animal cruelty, or at least what you would call animal neglect, and you see it just about everywhere, even here in La Union. And they leave this poor little thing outside all night long. There's no water. They left it chained in the rain. I think he was outside in that storm all night. Don't spill it, buddy. Drink your water.
Put here so it won't get the sand. Look, makuha ang kuto ko.
Puppy's filled with ticks. They don't take care of it.
Oh, bato ka. Can I have stone? Maybe.
Man, we're just pulling ticks off this poor little thing. You would think that they would care for such a cute little doggy, but they just chain it over here.
Travel pass like within minutes. Exactly. How many people can crap that out of their ass?
Huge, super old balete tree. Right in the middle of a car wash. I don't know, twerk, trap, moomba, and top 40s. You can't go wrong. Plus hip hop and future anthems. The discotheque. This is like nightclub alley here in La Union. Exotic disco. Ooh, the Temptation Nail Bar. Yeah. Alright, we got a mobile bakery here in the Philippines, man. This thing rocks. Bakery on wheels. Yes. Mobile bakery action. You want to open a bakery in the Philippines? Well, All you need is a motorcycle. Yeah, boy. There are a lot of resorts here in La Union, but there are not a lot of people because of lockdown. It's just mind-boggling that these incredibly huge resorts all over this entire country are just empty. You know, it's like everything's shut down. The country's getting to the point where they're really not able to sustain the economic drought, and you know, people can't be locked down anymore. They're starting to starve, and this is a business that is just empty. All right. So, not quite a condo. I mean, it's a private triple-decker house with a pool on the beach. And we're very drunk. Whip them out.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content from Metro Manila, Philippines.